guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Aysh, please subscribe. Today's video is a super quick and easy hair tutorial for this wet look, beachy wavy kind of hairstyle. I really love this look, especially for holiday and in evenings, and if you're going away, it looks really nice and really dewy and sultry and so simple to achieve. I literally only use 2 products for this look. If you want to see how I created this summery beachy hair, then keep on watching. First stage is I'm going to take this brush and slowly detangle my hair. I don't want to detangle it fully because I want it to look wavy with some definition, so I'm just going to neaten some messy parts. At the moment my hair is quite wavy, so I'm going to keep it as it is. I'm not going to brush it out too much because then it will go frizzy and quite straight, and my hair's naturally straight, so any type of wave I have I need for this look because I want to keep it maintained and beach wavy. What I am going to do is tie my hair into a high ponytail, and I'm going to do that wet look with it up. 2 hairbands here, so I'm going to tie my hair up with that. So I'm just going to bring my hair down, have it at quite a high point, and then tie the ponytail. Now the hair is tied, I'm just going to pull that tight. I'm going to start adding the product. To start with and help wet the hair, I'm going to use this argan oil leave-in spray. It's like a heat defense spray, but it's got Moroccan argan oil in it. So it's kind of like a nice treatment, and if you want to look beachy and protect your hair from drying out in the sun whilst you're on holiday, this is quite a good product. I'm going to spray that into my hair and be quite generous with it. Almost like wet the hair as you're going along, and as you keep spraying you want to do that with your hands. Spray the ends, it's always nice to have the ends moistured as well, and as you can see it's starting to look slightly wet. If you get the top as well, don't forget the top. And you can see the difference, how it started to define parts of my hair. Do the same for this side. Just be generous with the amount that you put into the hair and just keep zhuzhing as you go along. Now that I've sprayed with the argan oil, I'm going to take some styling gel, only to use a small amount because this is more to help hold things up and stuff. So just to help with the wet look, I'm going to take a small dollop. This is the Alberto Balsam Ultra Strong Styling Gel, and I'm going to rub that into my hands and zhuzh my hair with it some more. And make sure you're kind of getting in between each finger so you know you've got that. Another good thing to use with this is a diffuser, which is what you attach to a hairdryer, and it's got those little points, and it's really good for like wet look, scrunchy kind of hair. Any parts you feel like you may have missed, and get those ends. It's always important to get the ends, and around the top because that's easily missed. Before you are done, give it one last spray of argan oil. You don't have to use argan oil, you can use like a styling spray as well. This is what I had to hand at the moment and works really well, and because my hair is so dry because it's bleached, it's quite good treatment actually having it like this. And that is simply the wet look complete. It is so simple to do. Some people do this with their hair wet, so they add the mousse, loads and loads of mousse, and allow the hair to dry, but then it keeps it kind of defined. But I did it by just activating the moisture in my hair by using spray. If you guys enjoyed this hair tutorial, then please leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!